Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make weeknight scalloped potatoes. This is always a favorite side dish, but it doesn't have to be reserved for special occasions. With this method that was first invented by Cooks Illustrated, you can have scalloped potatoes any night of the week, and I promise it's super easy with 10 minutes on the stove and 15 minutes in the oven. Start by peeling 2 pounds of russet potatoes, which is usually about 4 medium-sized potatoes. Then we need to slice them into thin 1/8 inch slices. So you can do that with a sharp knife. You can use a mandoline, or you can use a food processor. Today, I'm actually going to use a cheese grater that has this beautiful little slicing edge. And I always wear cutting gloves because I hate getting cuts on my hands. You just go ahead and use whatever you've got. Set those aside for just a second and grab a 2 to 3 quart Dutch oven, which can transfer directly into the oven, or you can just use a 2 to 3 quart saucepan. Melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter over medium-high heat. Then we'll add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and we're gonna let that toast for just about 60 seconds. Then pour in 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Give this a quick stir, and then add in your sliced potatoes. Submerge the potatoes in the liquid and bring this to a simmer. Once simmering, reduce the heat to medium-low, pop a lid on it, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. About every 2 minutes, pop the lid off and give it a quick stir to make sure those potatoes stay in the liquid. Now, if you have one of these oven-safe pots, you can continue and sprinkle the cheese on directly in the pot and bake it. But if you don't have one, which is probably more common, you can transfer it to a lightly greased casserole dish. You need about 2 quarts, so a 9x9 pan works great. Spread them out into an even layer, and then sprinkle half a cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese on top. We're gonna bake this in a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes as promised. It should be bubbly and the cheese on top should be golden brown, and then you just let it sit for about 10 minutes to cool before you eat. This is a game-changing method. It makes it so much easier to enjoy scalloped potatoes on a weeknight. Plus, you don't have to worry about getting that one uncooked potato that was hidden somewhere in your. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.